Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please like and subscribe for more room tours and travel information. So before I begin with the walkthrough, I wanted to tell you guys some important information about the room. The room I booked was the executive suite. We stayed on a Saturday night and I paid $259. I purchased additional add-ons such as 8 candles around the jacuzzi for $25, a bottle of Hennessy 375 ml for $25, the birthday package for $50, and a mandatory membership for $25. My total came out to $399.54. Comment below if you think the room and the add-ons was worth the price. Enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching.